All right, welcome back to computer class. Today we are going to talk about some blog posts and tags and comments. Okay, so the Hudsonville webpage blog is blogs2.hpseagles.net. Blogs2.hpseagles.net. Today we have our 5th hour class with us today. Say hi, class. Hi. Okay. And so I am going to click on my page. And when I click on my page, my profile page comes in after I log in. Notice I have my picture as well as some information down at the bottom. In a couple days, I'm going to come around and take a look at your profile page, and then you should have a nice paragraph on there and a photo on there. And that will be then graded for this marking period. So over here I have this little blog, link right over here. Okay, some of you might not have that. How to get that back is to go into this little bolt gear looking type of thing. Go to My User Settings, and you will see right here that there is a check mark under my blog. If you don't have that check mark, make sure it's check marked. I also then, under blog permissions, want these comments to be authenticated users. Those are the people that have logged in and then now can comment to your blog posts. When I'm done, I hit save. And then when I can go to my blog, I'm ready to hit the button and go to my blog and then create a new blog post. How do I create a new blog post? Well, there's a plus button right here. When I hit it, it says new blog post in my blog. I click on that and then I can title my blog post. I then can write my blog post. What is a blog post? Well, it can be anything. It could be a poem, it could be a story, it could be a summary of something, it could be a reaction to an article, it could just be your own thoughts. Okay, blog posts are basically your spot. You know, blogs are your spot to just give your log of information to people. Now, I have now created this desktop blog post, so I'm going to click on it. And notice when I click on the post itself, these tags come up. This is where I can add my tags. Tags are words that represent what the blog post is all about. Okay, so this one happens to be about desktop, so the words that I have chosen is 6th computer, because it basically goes to you guys in 6th grade. Computer for computer class, and then desktop is the main meaning of this desktop type of a blog. Now down here, I have now, you can comment on that blog post if you are a authenticated or logged in user. Let me talk about blog posts or comments, excuse me. Comments should expand the knowledge that was put forth in a blog. So if I write a comment, hey, this is cool, that doesn't expand anything. It just shares your feelings, which is okay, but you have to tell why that is cool, why you liked it. What is the information that you didn't know before that you know now? And then you can expand it more by making like a question. Okay, why can't I put, a background image on my desktop? Or I use my desktop to store my photos. So you expand the information and make that post greater, but with a comment. It should not just be, hey, what's happening? This is not an instant message type of thing. This is a comment on the blog post to expand the information of that blog post. So make sure you do a good job with those comments. In section 14.1, I believe you have to comment on other people's blog posts. So that's a little bit about tags, a little bit about comments, and then a bit about posts in your blog. So you may say goodbye.